Today I'm going to show you how you can exactly make your Dolby Atmos so immersive that you will feel like all of your sounds are coming from sides or above or behind, not from in front of you. Let's get started. So, first of all, in this Dolby Atmos tab, we are going to select Custom. There are three custom options. We will go to any of them. Okay, now this is the equalizer and everything set up here. First of all, why volume leveler is essential? Because to hear every micro detail, whatever will come, volume leveler will actually enhance them, those micro details, and reduce those blast sound to a level. That's how it works. So you can keep turn it on if you want to, because this is actually going to help you a little bit, and you already know what is this sound virtualizer. Now let's talk about this. There are different bands of frequency. There were science experiments in 2000s, long before, and there a scientist, actually audio scientist, discovered that the frequency 1 kilohertz, when it is boosted aggressively, there were a lot of people in his experiment, and 80% of them said that yes, the sound is coming from the behind. So you will boost this 1 kilohertz frequency, trust me, into this at least 3 or 4 decibel. Alright, now let's talk about this. This is the your main bass, or 64 kilohertz. This one is actually a frequency which actually booms and masks other frequencies. So it is better if you put it down a little bit if you want, but it doesn't impact a lot. And here we go, 250 to 500 frequency. Those are in your face. You will feel like sounds are coming just in front of you. Those will coming into your face, so you will put them down a little bit, and those two sound, especially the 4 kilohertz bandwidth, this one will make you feel like, okay, the sound is exactly in my nose. So you will put those down, you will put this up. This is the rare one. You will put this up. This is the height one, especially 7.5 to 8.5 frequencies are the height keys. And this is 16 kilohertz, which will wide, make you feel more air in your headphone or stereo. So you can easily put that a little bit 2 decibel, plus 2 decibel, and it can be like plus 3 or 4 decibel. If you put your EQ exactly like that, then if you actually compare with your flat EQ to this one, you will feel the noticeable difference. Trust me, and thank me later. Alright, thank you so much for watching.